Majestic. Different.
Ow! Fuck. That fucking hurt.
What?
I fucking kicked this fucking thing. Fucking pissed me off.
I thought you were just fucking making noises. Look what chili would. I don't get it why they call it chili if it's hot.
Nice and spicy.
Okay. Feeling pretty Jurassic Park. Like a dinosaur come running out.
I fucking lick a platypus comes out of the river.
Fucking see Stanley just jump out. Oh, fucking lizard man.
Boom, fucking Iron Man comes right as it kills us.
Is this where you guys like made that video in the summer? You like jump down here?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
Actually looks, I can see the camera from here. Actually looks pretty good. Get that like that the dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Iron Man came in here, crashed from the moon, fucking bombs, killed the dinosaurs.
Came from all the way over there. Came like fucking flying like a million miles per hour and like boom. Boom. His ass was toast.
Hello? Okay. Okay. Alright, boys.
Look at those people go. Mountain man.
Can you raise both your eyebrows like
At the same time?
like
No, this fucking one won't. I keep going like this and I try to push it. I'm like. Man, you fucking see like Bear Grylls on the other side of the fucking river, just like, just like shrinking the water, like. We're just sitting here like, hey, this territory is
improvise,
unknown man.
adapt, overcome,
Get AIDS.
get HIV. Bennett's coming, I can hear him. Yep, there he is over here.
Hey, I found a fucking fishing rod.
There's fucking,
Ow!
yeah,
Fuck!
there's hooks in it.
Ow! Fuck! Fuck me! Went right in my skin. Ow! Motherfucker! Fucking caught something. It's a fucking makeshift fucking hook. That fucking I didn't even see it.
There's three of them on there, so watch out.
No, there's just two.
Oh yeah, there's three.
Just two. I didn't even see it. I grabbed it. I was like, fuck! That fucking sucked. Ow. It's up there. Fucking hurt.
Oh shit, there's a fucking fishing hook in your hand. So we're gonna go touching shit?
I know. That's actually pretty clean. Pretty clean ears. So good. Some pretty gay ass lures. That fucking sucked. I'll be like, hey. That was bike.
You all know.
Huh?
Yeah, he had his bike for a while now.
Yeah, he fucking told me.
Oh.
The guy showed up at his house. I was like, okay. That Yamaha?
Honda.
Fucking dirtbike.
What the fuck are you guys doing back here?
It's fucking hunting dinosaurs.
Why are you recording? Monkey.
Yeah, he already knew.
How'd you know?
Kevin told me. Showed up at his house trying to give him a ride.
Before you guys even told me, don't tell him. I already told him.
How'd you tell him?
Didn't he ask me once?
He asked you?
Yeah.
You 6 fucking 9.
And then like a few hours later, you guys were like, don't tell Kate. And I was like, oh.
Wanna try it?
Oof.
Not here, man. I'm from fucking boom, and the river goes.
Oh, didn't you say you had a dirt bike or something?
Yeah. Yamaha.
What'd you do to it?
The tires fucking broke.
Just get a new fucking tire.
Fill it up there.
Cause it's got a fucking rip in it.
Get a new tire.
Yeah, those are expensive. I'm fucking broke.
It's only $200.
I'm out here fishing with this. Out here making that dough, fucking this. I'm actually gonna see if this fucking works. I'll be right back.
No, I'm gonna chill the fuck out of you next time. You wanna go explore?
Shit might be on.
Are you guys cold?
A little bit. I don't know how the fuck he ain't cold.
Ask me if I give a fuck about it, this. Ask me if I give a fuck about it, yeah. Ask me if I give a fuck about fame, yeah. Recently I just don't give a fuck about a thing. I decided about it, grace said it got beside it. That chick's so bad to me, I know for you to lie. You singing this lonely, all the moments, energy components. That living and follow, I know promises on birthday moments.
Everything brings and I can see